Do you mind scrambling this for me? Oh, do you know the new algorithm for the last part? So for this part, you just go up, over, down, over, up, over, down. Okay, now you can do it. Up, down, over, down. No, it's up, over, down, over, up, over, down. Up, over. Wait, can you say that again? Oh, 37 seconds. No, I've done it in 36 before. No, I'm serious. It was just as scrambled. I'm serious. Yeah, well, the only reason I know how to do this part is because of the algorithm. Yeah, I actually do happen to have a graphing calculator in my back pocket. This part is a part where an algorithm really comes in handy. No, so you just follow the algorithm here, so you just like do the algorithm. Mom, it's not cute, it's a Rubik's Cube. That algorithm is pretty similar to the other algorithm, but it's just different, and it actually makes it easier, but it's just a different algorithm. Well, I'm asking for the pentagonal one for my birthday because I already got the hexagonal one for Christmas, and my friend Tommy has a metallic octagonal one, so I can just borrow his. Yeah, he can do it without the algorithm, but I just can do it with the algorithm. So now you turn the right face up. So right face up. No, the right face. Right face up. Turn it up. Right face up. No, not that way up, the other way up. Right face up. What? Yeah, this one is just like an algorithm. Whoa, I can't believe you did that without the algorithm. I'm also borrowing Tommy's 4x4, and then I have a 2x2, and I also really want the 7x7. This, you have to learn an algorithm for it, but it's a super easy algorithm. I already have the 5x5. That algorithm is so complicated, but once you learn that one, then it goes so faster. Sammy, where are you going to college at? I'm going to go to Eastern Valley Community College. Okay, so then you just do the algorithm, and boom, solved. Yeah, I just did the algorithm to solve it. Yeah, well, the last step is just do the algorithm. Hey, will you help solve this for me? I can help you. So, ew, why did you solve the red side first? Is that okay? But this one is so hard to spin. Where did you get this from? Algorithm.